In this video, let's have a wee gander at styles over here. So this doesn't appear in the storyline. Instead, you'll see the insert button, but whenever you click in design, it does appear. So let's go ahead and click on that little guy. And you've got, first of all, you can change the way your sway presents. So vertical, horizontal, or slides. I mean, if you're going to use slides, you may as well use PowerPoint. So I'm just going to skip that. In fact, I'm just going to leave it at vertical. But you can play around with these other two, horizontal and slides. You can also, after you choose a style, so say for example we choose this little guy, okay, you can scroll down to see what effects have taken place. Sometimes the effects is moves the images around, the image card, sorry, the title text, it will change the style and so on. But you can preview those changes, and you can also, if you want, customize. All right. So customization, sorry, allows you to change like the font type, because I know people can be a little bit picky about that. You can change the animation emphasis. I haven't played around with it so much that to try to do individual parts, but you can still then go into those individual cards or parts and change the focus points there. Okay, as we've always been able to do. Let's go back to customize there, and the text size as well. All of this, of course, depends on your preference and, more importantly, your audience. Okay. Anyway, so let's come out of that for a second. So go back into style. So I'm going to come out of the customize, and these are just some of the options that are available at the minute. Okay, and you can scroll through there to see what else is on the shop floor. So let's click this one and see what happens. Oh, very interesting. It's black and white, plain style there. You can also press the remix button, which I guess just remix it using different styles as well. Okay, then you got your undo. So by all means, feel free to play around with that. Have a look to see what's available, what suits, what doesn't. For example, this is not very good because I cannot read it. So I'll undo that. But have a look at the styles, have a look at the customize button until you find something that you're happy with. All right, and thank you for watching.